Hey, I'm Steve with Prima Coffee, and today we're going to take a look at the new E&B, or Espresso and Brewing, Burrs from Timemore. So on previous Timemore grinder models, they had a stainless steel burr that you could get for brewing, or a titanium coated stainless steel burr that you could get if you wanted to do espresso. And so in the meantime, what they were doing was sort of designing a burr that could do both of those things. These can feed really efficiently down in the fine range, which was the problem with the stainless steel burrs before. It was that even though you could sort of theoretically grind for espresso, it didn't feed very well. These burrs here have these little teeth on the top, on the breakers here. And we think that that's what causes them to grab and to feed so efficiently. So we wanted to go ahead and show you how to install these burrs in the Timemore Chestnut C2. If you ordered one of these before, it would have come with this stainless steel burrs inside of it, which are for brewing. If you decided that you'd rather have burrs that do both brewing and espresso, you can buy these E&B burrs and install them into that C2. So the first step in installing these burrs is taking out these stainless steel burrs that are in here. And it's pretty simple. The center burr is taken out by just turning the dial counterclockwise until the center burr comes loose. There we go. And there is that center burr right there. And you'll notice that these burrs are very similar, but the E&B burr has those little teeth right there so you can distinguish. And the old burrs also have some writing on the bottom, so that'll help you to distinguish between them. So to get the outer burr out, you just need a Phillips head screwdriver, something very small, because these are small screws, and there are 4 of them on the perimeter there. So there you go. That is your outer burr right there. And again, there's some writing on there to help you distinguish between the two. So what you do to get this one in is I would clear away any coffee that you have there, the teeth facing up. There's a notch here that has to correspond to the one in there. That's in. And then go ahead and get this into place and just go ahead and do the exact same thing. So we recommend that you keep it a little loose here. You're going to use this center burr to center that outer burr. So you're going to put this in and you're basically going to tighten this all the way in until it pushes that outer burr into its place. So you would put the cap on there, push this in, this piece, that knob fits into this notch here. And go ahead and put the dial on and you can screw it in all the way. Once you've reached your 0 point there, crank arm's not moving, then you can go ahead and tighten that outer burr into its place. So once you've done that, you are now ready to start grinding for both espresso and for all brewed coffee methods. You can find those burrs online at primacoffee.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks again for watching. If you liked that video, you'll be pleased to know there is so much more on our website, including comparisons, product reviews, brew guides, events coverage, and so much more. And help support our channel by subscribing, liking this video, sharing, commenting, and clicking that bell button. Happy brewing!